channel Inulu Wahini. Today we are going to study about past or past time. In the first video we have already studied about the present, which consists of four tenses. The first is present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So in this video we are going to study about the past time. What are the tenses in the past time? So in the past there are four kinds of tenses. The first is past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Okay, how do we use past here? Past is used for activity which has already done or in the past. So it is in lampau. Do you know lampau? Lampau means in the past. For the second is for hypothesis. Hypothesis means that we imagine something. And for the third is for the future or for the politeness. Okay guys, here I would like to teach you. The first is past simple. Okay, we learn about the verb. I would like to explain you about the verb. In the next video, I would like to inform you how do we use the past of past time, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. The first is the verb. Okay, past simple. How is the verb? Past means that verb 2. Okay, for some present is for verb 1. Past is verb 2. Perfect will be verb 3. Continuous will be verb in. Past means a verb 2. So the verb will be subject plus verb 2 plus object. So the sentence will be I worked yesterday. I watched television yesterday. For the negative will be subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. So why this is did? Because did is the verb 2. So for the verb will be verb 1. So the example will be I didn't go to school yesterday. Or I didn't watch television yesterday. How about the interrogative? The interrogative will be did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. So what's the sentence? Did I watch television yesterday? Did I go to school yesterday? Now we have already learned positive, negative, and interrogative. For the second is past continuous. Remember that past means verb 2, then continuous means verb in. So what is the verb? The positive will be subject plus to be was were plus verb in plus object. How is the word? So the sentence will be I was watching television. They were eating together yesterday. So go on to the negative. The negative will be subject plus to be was or were plus not plus verb in plus object. Let we make the sentence. So the sentence will be I was not watching television. They were not eating together yesterday. Go on to interrogative. The interrogative will be was or were plus subject plus verb in plus object plus interrogative. The example will be was I reading my book yesterday? Were they watching television a month ago? So go on to the third tenses, that is past perfect. Past perfect. Past means that of verb 2, then perfect means verb 3. So it will be verb 2 and verb 3. How is the verb? subject plus had is the verb 2 of have plus verb 3 plus object. So the example will be I had watched televisions a week ago. I had eaten yesterday. I had drunk water last night. How about the interrogative? The interrogative will be subject plus had plus not. So we have to put not after had plus verb 3 plus object. So the example will be I hadn't taken bath yesterday. I hadn't drunk a cup of coffee a week ago. Then let me make the interrogative. How is the interrogative? Had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object plus question mark. So the sentence will be had I washed my dress yesterday? For the last is past perfect continuous. Past is verb 2, then perfect verb 3, continuous will be to be plus verb in. Then how do we make the sentence? So the sentence, the verb will be positive. Subject plus had plus been plus verb in plus object. So the sentence will be I had been going home a month ago. Then another example will be I had been wearing my dress since a week ago. Then how about the negative? So the negative we have to add not after had. So subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb in plus object. The example will be I had not I hadn't been speaking English since a year ago. How about the interrogative? The interrogative will be had plus subject plus been plus verb in plus object. Had I been speaking English a month ago? So that in the past we have to learn about irregular and regular verb. So regular verb is for verb plus ed. So all verb 2 and verb 3 will be added with ed. So what's the verb? Like watch, watch, watch. Then the irregular verb has different ways. So it is not added with ed. So the verb will be come, came, come, see, saw, seen, then etc. So we have to learn about the regular and regular verb. Regular, so the verb will be added with ed, then irregular with different ways. So it is not added with ed. Because I have already explained to you about 4 tenses in the past. So that's all from me. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.